Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review TokenPocket Wallet. TokenPocket Wallet is a versatile, multi-chain decentralized wallet designed for seamless interaction with the Web3 ecosystem. It supports over 1,000 blockchain networks, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and Polygon. It allows users to store, send, swap, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. The wallet offers a range of features such as DeFi integration, NFT support, and access to thousands of dApps. Security is a top priority. TokenPocket ensures that private keys are stored locally on the user's device, providing full control over assets. Additionally, it supports hardware wallets like PayPal, Trezor, and Ledger, and includes multi-signature functionality for enhanced security. The wallet is available across multiple platforms, including mobile apps for Android and iOS, browser extensions, and a desktop application. Some users have reported issues with customer support and withdrawal processes, as highlighted in reviews on platforms like Trustpilot. Despite these concerns, TokenPocket remains a popular choice for users seeking a comprehensive and secure wallet solution in the Web3 space. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.